Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today's tutorial is going to be how to add dimensions in Design Sparks Mechanical to your two-dimensional drawing. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and go to File, New, and create a new design. To make it easier, we're going to go ahead and turn this into a plane view. Okay, so to start off, we're going to draw a basic square part. Go ahead and make this 2.25 inches by 0.625 by maybe, let's go 1 inch. Come down here 2 inches. Then we'll complete the part off with 3.250. Go ahead and close that part. Hit the select key, select arrow. Okay, now to add the dimensions, there's over here on the far right, excuse me, in the toolbar, there is a dimensional block. It says dimensions, so go ahead and click there. And then to create a dimension on the line, click the line and drag up, and then click when you want to place the line. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that on all the dimensions. So click, drag down, click to place. Click, drag off to the right, click to place. Click, drag down, click to place. Same thing here, 0.5. Okay, now if we wanted to add a circle, we go ahead and add the circle. Let's just put it somewhere over here and make a 1/2 inch circle. Go ahead and select this button to. Okay, now in order to get this dimension, we want to go same thing. Go from here over to the center. Actually, take that back. Undo. Okay, I gotta go add the circle again. All right, so we'll put a circle right here, 1/2 inch. Okay, so click off of that. Select the dimension tool. I'm going to go from here over to here. Click, drag to place. And then you could either go from the top of the part to the bottom center, or you can go from here to here. So we'll go from the top. So we're going to go ahead and go from there down to there. It's 2 inches, and then put the dimension over here somewhere. Okay, it's real simple to do. Once you learn how to do that, you can pretty much dimensionalize any part in Design Sparks Mechanical. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I hope this lesson was valuable to you. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll have a new video coming out shortly.